Hey! I meet Double Van Damme.
But you know what you did for your life. You took your personal account, but you
say hello to everybody.
Ebisia kujon kansa Lilwin ena enra oba life na okasafa aye the movie ya title say Ibrahim Traore. Na Ibrahim all life na oye discussing na enkomodidi na se conversation e koswaro. Ena yankasa ya actor kujon kansa chim say ni mofrase no shase ehwe na your friend say Van Damme e ba life so na he was so shocked for seeing Van Damme on live so that is a big privilege. Na kujon kansa Lilwin shocked Jesse Ohu Van Damme on a live so na ekoba bro for 17 na kujon kansa na ntimi ending komo so omu play game bia jomani later era kujon kansa Lilwin eko DM oye Van Damme ene din komo o se oba Ghana oba behwe na se oso oba Ghana aba behwe kujon kansa Lilwin because of say is very legendary o checking pa inti Lilwin so ba bonten enso be kan se bi ni kan hwe nsama Van Damme kan no eno achi na ensama Lilwin so kan ne dia to so ha liberty oba no subscribe no wa share na wa dwenche no wa to yenko ensama Van Damme eba aye Lilwin live so wa brana o promote Ibrahim. Hey, I meet Double Van Damme.
But you know what you did for your life. You took your personal account, but you
say hello to everybody because and then people they can hear another guy, a friend of mine, saying hello to all my fans who've been so good to me for all those years.
Nice.
Okay, hello everybody.
What up? He did it. Patrick, I will call you back FaceTime.
Nice.
That was Instagram, I think.
Hello.
And then
The legendary.
Go to your live.
Wow.
You go live on your personal account. You only have me because it's a secret account. So if you go live on your page,
I'm shocked.
on the KCVD, then you go live.
you'll have to explain
I'm
me on
stuck.
that just to show you how dumb I
I meet
am
Hilo.
on the social
The whole
network,
world
but
knows.
forgive me for that.
Van Damme.
No, it's not a problem.
And also, they're
I'm
telling
so
me
excited.
I've got a friend at Google who's saying to me that I've got to engage much more traffic.
Yeah.
I mean, we're like almost 50 million people, and
On YouTube.
yeah, on everything. They don't understand why I've got so much people. We don't engage enough traffic between.
Musha.
I wrote down Tuesday, I think. Next Tuesday.
Who wants it?
Is still correct?
You follow me.
I have an appointment.
You can follow me.
Which can be very important. I have to
I'm
be
in
3 o'clock.
Patrick, one live. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write that down, and I will call you after this live. So people, I'm sure that they like to hear stuff like that. It's so natural. But
Sorry, you're live now.
yeah, I'm on live now. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I leave you. Bye bye.
Love you. Bye bye, Patrick. Bye bye, big kiss. Ciao, ciao. Hey, voilà. Another friend of mine. That's how we talk to each other. Simple, relax. You've been part of my speaker conversation. I wish you the best and have a good coffee this morning, tea, whatever. Some people saying that coffee is not good. I disagree. It's a good plant, and I believe it keeps yourself strong. And maybe it's an anti-cancer.
Other for good morning, Ghana for me chamuna, a mumpany for Yamachiamo. Now, good news be Albert on my Ghana. What you say, a year movie and Medeba, we try a year who did the air cold, we are seeing now at the Kati Ibrahim Troy, the last African hero, the most awaited movie in Africa, in Ghana, right now. Moving on everywhere, be out of any just about to say. And I'm a cat Ghana for you say, you're to be agenda taking Lilwin to Hollywood. See, agenda taking Lilwin to Hollywood, including Oman Penny, Mr. President. Mr. said, when it gets back Penny for no, Mumma, some family call Hollywood, Nanra. and say the whole world superstar legend Van Damme when the movie we saw me when the movie take the bench when the movie and my life for na or send request Emma me fan na number of 17 but we are after the match no you are chatting with actually feeling me also or see me actor yes who be but he tried to come Ghana out of what some say he says your name mama our president and now so na mfam ko Hollywood and ko movie nene Van Damme organize me as actor Lilwin superstar in Ghana in Africa all because of catching Abraham Troy the last African hero movie na dey ba mountain to all my fans me dem nyina masi mo se Ghana biba ade ka fa ba na epeja na nkwasasem bia ba na ebetre na abakata de papa so hey fitine kuti da mepime movie no mo obi anko yi naked mo obi anko de nzehunu mo trend be se trend na ekoso no actor bia wo ye de bejade de no Shatawale edi ma me pacho ema movie no training wie ansa na konto kwanya abotre na ba support nya abotre ansa na me movie no training premier wie ansa na shata wasora be de wo ye no nya abotre ama kata so what ase ama kata so the whole world superstar Van Damme double Van Damme kick man what I say I just say yes he organized me Mr. Lilwin superstar onyame sham I'm here to stand to thanks the Hollywood superstar Van Damme. God bless him. One day, my cat is one day. Lilwin, I'm appear Hollywood movie. You will shock. And I come and I'm one superstar. America Lilwin. One day, we meet. Then we see what happened. Yesterday, you surprised. Said Van Damme all my life. So, now many idea when you ball match. You been see that. You been see the Hollywood star, African star, Hollywood. Let me show you now. Madam Asi, agenda, we are taking Lilwin to Hollywood. Mr. President, His Excellency, I feel we also my basso. Now, Miska, him a powerful one. I don't call. Yamisha, I love you.
Truth, facts. In a country, a movie industry, you know, because of moving more intelligent, talkatives, more. Nyansabu akwafo mu de bibia mu mu nchirechiremu e wo mu mpensem mu ne mu nsone so mbe sone yi de bia mu hu papa nso mu hu bone. Look at this industry. What does movie industry be mpo there? Omo antom betimi aye omo ayame ye hu bi dan so mu nyina etwesan because of some of these things that some people do. People who think they are so intelligent to talk about everything, when in actual sense sometimes they don't even make sense. That is the truth. That is the bitter truth. This gentleman consistently has been doing so much for our movie industry. I was talking to one movie person 2 days ago, and then he was telling me, he was briefing me on some of the things that goes into producing a movie. And I was amazed. In fact, that is the reason why some people have laid back, because it makes sense. This my godfather was telling me the budgets of some movies that Kojo Cancer has produced, the budgets that goes into such movies, and I'm like, what? It's not as if someone is supporting all these intelligent talkatives. No government hand, nothing. This is a movie industry that has been reduced to skits making and YouTube series, not because we don't have the creatives anymore. It's because the energy to do it right now is drying down because of some so-called talkatives. When last did you hear a Ghana movie getting all the attention and all that? When it is always when Kojo Cancer Lilwin is playing a role. This gentleman is doing a lot, doing so much. This time he's coming with a movie that speaks about leadership and impact. From our own soil, from our African soil, Captain Ibrahim Traore, the president of Burkina Faso. And then I hear people say that, you know, Kojo Cancer Lilwin is specialized in comedy and blah, blah, blah. Throwing tantrums. Nonsense. Really? Some other people are also saying that we shouldn't glorify stories like this, and then it makes no sense trying to rubbish the efforts of a legendary director, Justice K. Bentum, and an amazing character, Kojo Cancer Lilwin, in the name of it glorifies coup d'etat, it glorifies military, whatever. Nonsense. Who should tell the African story better? Stories of war, stories of... Tell me. Liberia, Rwanda, they were told by actors. natives, the African people, the African way. And there's no doubt that Kwajon Kansa Lilwin has the ability to connect with audience. He has the ability to deliver very complex messages through drama. His energy, his aura, very versatile. He's a tank of creativity, a tank of talent. And then you hear Ghanaians thinking there are some ambience of wisdom, sitting in some places talking nonsense that we shouldn't do this, we shouldn't do that, we shouldn't do this. At this point, if you don't have anything good to say about Kwajon Kansa Lilwin's movies, you should shut up, because we don't even get it anymore. Everybody is doing the normal things, not because they cannot do, but because of some of you people who kill energy. You kill vibe constantly, consistently. This guy has been doing great, and anytime anybody gets the chance, people we expect to promote, to appreciate, you see them trying to find faults with everything. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a story that everybody must see. I can't wait for the release date, because I know that from what I've seen and from the little I've been told, it is going to bust your mind. This movie does not in any way seek to glorify coup d'etats and violence. No, not at all. It is a story that talks about leadership.